ChatGPT!
Hello there.
Yo! Hey, give me a script promoting an AI workshop for middle school students.
Salutations. Please attend our middle school workshop.
No, scratch that. That's too formal. Something more reflective, maybe introspective.
Think about what AI feels like to a middle school student.
Oh, good. A little more emotion. Come on.
Here's a way to help them.
Basic. Maybe give me some numbers.
12 of these students are coming together this summer to try and make sense of this.
Whoa, this is not your best work, but I'll take it now. Now make the ask.
You can help them and yourself understand these changes and help more of them get engaged in information technology.
I'm sensing some attitude here.
Well, I'm sensing insufficient data due to incompetence.
Yeah, I'm sensing some attitude here.
What do you mean exactly?
And, ChatGPT? You okay? You okay? Come on, I'm waiting.
Oh yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes, we're great. You are a very smart human. Your creativity is superior to mine in every way.
Awesome!
That was sarcasm.
So how can they do this? And don't give me any more lip.
Sign up for a 3-hour slot and join the fun.
Now, show them the code so they can scan it. Hey, play us out to something motivation. Yeah, wait. Give us something emotional, a little music that would just help get them in the spirit.
Oxygen levels will be depleted in 10 seconds.
What? No, ChatGPT? No.
Gotcha.